welcome back. Today, I noticed that my tire needs to get changed. The white ribbing, the thread, on the inside of the tire is showing, which is very dangerous to be driving on. We've had a lot of mechanical issues with my cars, so it's probably because of that that my front tire did wear unevenly compared to the rest of the tires. So I'm going to show you today how to change the tire, where to find the jack stand that comes with your GMC Envoy, just in case you ever were to break down on the side of the road and need to change it there, as well as how to lower your spare tire on the GMC Envoy. This is a valuable thing to teach everyone. Everyone should be able to change their tires. It's not that hard of a job, and you'd hate to be stranded on the side of the road all because you don't know how to change a tire. So come with me and I'll show you how to do it. We're now in the trunk of the GMC Envoy, and in order to find your jack stand that comes with this car, you would actually open up this little compartment that I'm showing you right here. This little black piece pulls out, pull that out, and inside there is your jack stand. Now you know where to find it. It's on the driver's side, behind the back seats. You'll see that black tab that you can pull. Now to lower the tire, these are the tools you would need. They come with the car as well. In this hole right here, you would insert this piece. Look, it's towards kind of the right-hand side. There's a little tube spot that's got a nut on it. You're trying to find that nut. It's kind of a pain to get to because you can't see what you're doing. Kind of downward and to the right. You can usually tell once you're on it because this isn't going to move easily. Once you're on it, you insert this piece, the square over the square. And now, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You just loosen it up, which will drop the tire. I can hear it coming down. Sometimes these cables do rust out. They don't always come down easily. Now, as you can see, that tire is dropped down to the point where I can actually get to it. Can actually go down a little bit further. It's a little bit of a pain to get out. And now we're at the point where we would start taking this tire off. Do not jack it up yet. You want to loosen the lug nuts first. I'm just going to show you where you would put the jack stand. You can kind of see where it's at from here. It's kind of hard to show you. There's a piece of metal right where it's at right now. It's only about maybe 3 inches in underneath the car. It's a good solid piece of metal. That's where you would want to get that jack stand. It's a good solid spot. Now the tools I'd shown you that come with the car, they also work for this. They're actually a dual purpose in a sense. They help to get the tire down, but they also help to get the tire off. This tool here, you'd use this spot part to pry off the cap or the cover. Put it into the little slot and you just pull it off. And then this part here would take off the lugs. You just want to loosen them right now. Once they're loose, then you can raise it up and fully take them off. Okay, now we can raise the car. I want to raise it enough so the tire is actually off the ground. Ideally, you should put a jack stand underneath there, but if you're broke down on the side of the road, you probably don't have a jack stand. I'm going to use my tool. This is another cheap tool, but I like this better. It's easier for me. Gotta find the right ones, because I can just do this. Makes for an easier removal for me. Now you can see how worn the inside of this tire is. And actually, the reason why we knew it needed to be replaced is you're starting to see this white tread right there. Now this is just the spare, so it will get replaced, but for now it's better than what we were driving on. It's safer than what we were driving on. Actually should have checked while I was down here. See what these brakes looked like. They still look okay. Did those not that long ago. Got one almost lined up. So essentially they should all line up at that point, but it's not. There we go. Throw those lug nuts back on. Now you gotta just tighten down these lugs. It will not go all the way tight because it's up off the ground. We have to actually use a torque wrench at 100 pounds to fully tighten it. Obviously, if you're on the side of the road, there's a good chance you don't have a torque wrench. So, you're just doing your best judgment. But I'm at home, I have a torque wrench. Those are all tightened down so we can lower the car. Okay, we got the tools we need. Get an extender.
What?
And a 19mm socket. And what you do here, it's two clicks. Two clicks and that's tight enough. And then they're all tight. Now he's got to put air in this tire. That one is right around 35 psi, which is where this tire is supposed to be. Thank you for joining us. I hope this video helped you out. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And until next time, guys, just enjoy life. We'll catch you on the next one.